Hi, everybody. Big story, of course, the hot weather. And before I get into the heat advisory on this Tuesday, the graphic behind me, I hope you can kind of see it. Two major streaks that we're tracking as forecasters. The first one, we keep adding to the number of days where we have hit 90 or better so far this summer. So Monday we hit 94 out of PDX. That became day 24. Today we'll be in the 90s, maybe 100. This will be day number 25. The most all time was that summer of 2018 that made it to 31. And there's reason to believe we could get close to that. Okay, the other one, kind of interesting. We started to talk about this during some of our fire season coverage on KGW. The number of days where Portland has only had a trace of moisture or more, meaning nothing measurable. Measurable would be 0.01, 100, it's 0.02 or more than that. So we haven't had any measurable rain since the first week of July, and that daily tally reached 54 days in a row with no measurable rainfall on Monday. Today will be day 55. The record is a hard one to get to. It's one of the more impressive records in the record book, 71 back in 1967. So we need to get through August. We need to get through the first week or so of September to start getting close to that record. But it's possible that we will get close to that number as well. And keep in mind, I'm sure you realize this, we've had July's get just a trace of moisture. We've had August wrap up with just a trace of moisture. August so far has just a trace of moisture. And even if you get some precipitation in July, August, the first part of September, it's almost always convective shower, thunderstorm activity that's scattered. So, it's certainly not unusual to go a couple of months this time of the year with nothing widespread. But nonetheless, we are tracking that. This next map coming up behind me, see all the orange-colored areas? Those are heat advisory zones. So from Eugene all the way up through Longview, the heat advisory, as of on 9 o'clock on this Tuesday morning, is posted just for today, up and down I-5. But that could be extended. We'll keep you updated. The advisory that's been issued for parts of eastern Oregon, including Burns and Baker City, that comes out of the Boise forecast office. And that advisory has now been posted all the way through Friday. Eastern Oregon, 90s today, but getting hotter on Wednesday and hotter on Thursday. So we think that there could be some fairly widespread 100-degree temperatures coming to that part of the state. Back to the west side, though, and today will be the hottest of the week of temperatures, maybe getting up in Portland to 98, which would tie the record for today's date of August 30th. Cameras are sunny this morning. That's our Timberline Live camera up at the lodge. Cannon Beach camera has been sunny. We have had some fog down around Lincoln City. Yesterday, a good portion of the coast actually made it to 80 degrees. Astoria, for example, hit 81. And I think with the wind pattern today being mostly light variable north to east, we could again have some 80-degree pockets at the coast. This is the last potential warm day along the coast. All of our modeling shows a marine layer of clouds and fog returning Wednesday, which will hold beach temperatures back down into the 60s and into the 70s across the region. Already up to 72 at 9 o'clock in the morning, by the way, out at the airport. So we're going to be warming up. The big story, though, is the temperature forecast. Let me reach across and go ahead and push this to the 7-day. So the Dows, for example, expected to crack 100 today. You folks could be looking at least 3 days in a row, maybe 4, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, of hitting 100 degrees. Here in Portland, 98, hottest of the bunch. That will tie today's record set back in 1987. Still low to mid-90s, though, on Wednesday and especially Thursday. And then after that, forecast models are still back and forth. Some models go mid-80s over the holiday weekend. Other ones show we could be at 90 or better, potentially, every single day through Sunday, and then cooling down into the 80s on Labor Day. So we're not sure about how warm to hot the weekend will be yet. It's only Tuesday, so that's the one update to kind of keep your eyes focused on. That's what I have this morning on what is another heat advisory day on this Tuesday. I hope you're doing well, and as always, I thank you for using my weather forecast to help you guide you through your day. I'll talk to you soon.